Hey, what's up everybody? It's Alan here from Negative Supply, and I wanted to come and talk to you about our new 35mm basic scanning kit, and how it's going to make it quick and easy for you to scan your 35mm film compared to a flatbed scanner. To set up your kit, you're going to want to grab your FIlm Carrier MK1, your 4x5 light source, and your basic riser MK1. Go ahead and place your riser on your table on a sturdy leveled surface, then place your 4x5 light on the base of the riser, and then on top of the light you put your FIlm Carrier MK1. With my setup here, I have the EOS 77D with the EFS 60mm lens attached to the basic riser using the 1/4-20 screw. So when I prep for scanning, I usually like to use anti-static gloves to avoid any fingerprints on my film. Then I'm going to plug in my light and start scanning. Before I start scanning, I wanted to share some of the features of the 4x5 light and the FIlm Carrier MK1. The 4x5 light has 95 CRI bulbs which ensure color accuracy across the entire light. Our FIlm Carrier MK1 allows you to scan full rolls of 35mm film or strips that are 4 frames or longer. Now that we're ready to scan, let me show you how quick and easy it is to scan strips of film. So first you want to insert your film into the carrier and align your first frame with the camera and capture. Keep going for each frame after that until the strip catches the roller, and then you're ready to start scanning every frame after that by just turning the knob and aligning your film. There you go. That was 6 frames scanned with the FIlm Carrier MK1. Now let me show you how to scan a full roll of 35mm film. Go ahead and put the film in the carrier just like you did the short strip. Once it engages on the rollers, start turning it, line up your first frame and capture, and do the same thing for the rest of the roll. I also wanted to touch on a couple of optional accessories that you can get with this kit that'll enhance your experience with Negative Supply products. One, including the ProMat Mark II with a dust removal brush. This includes the 35mm adapter plate, which is great for attaching your 35mm FIlm Carrier MK1 to the plate magnetically. This has a magnet on the bottom, which attaches right here, and you pass your film through that to remove any dust before entering your carrier. Then with the magnetic adapter, you just place it right on top, and you have a fully working setup that removes dust before entering the film carrier. That's how you scan a full roll of 35. If you want more content from Negative Supply, make sure to follow us on Twitter and Instagram in the links down below. And if you like this video, subscribe.